Thank you for this opportunity. We are the members of Batch 5, Group 1, here to explain about Kuka-Robotics. Myself, C. Minula, Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
I am K. Nithi. I am from Computer Science Department.
I am Trichy, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
I am Kavya, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am Nitish, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am Akshit from Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
We specially thank our Chairman, Dr. Robotics Sir, Vice Chairman, Dr. Senthil Selvan Sir, Principal, Dr. Madhi Alakan Sir, and Dean Industry 4.0, Dr. V. Ramesh Sir. Our college provides robotic course with extraordinary lab facility. Our professor, Dr. V. Ramesh Sir, gives us training about robotics. We not only learned theory, but also we got experience in jogging and performing the industrial robot physically with each pendant. Now we are a part of the robot society and we have a confidence to apply for internship and job in automation industry. An industrial robot is found in only few colleges in India. Now we are here to share a few contents about Kuka robot.
Kuka is a German manufacturer of industrial robots and factory automation systems. In 2016, the company was acquired by Chinese appliance manufacturer Media Group. The Kuka system software is the operating software and the heart of the entire control, in it all basic functions are stored with or needed for the deployment of the robot system.
Some of the applications of Kuka robotics. The industrial robots are used in many application areas such as material handling, loading and unloading of machines, palletizing and depalletizing, spot and arc welding. They are used in some large companies, predominantly in the automotive industry, but also in other industries such as the aerospace industry. Specific applications include transport industry, food and beverage industry, glass industry, wood industry, metal processing and stone processing. We, the members of Batch 5, have created a program on own. We have tested it in teaching mode. Now we are going to execute it in auto mode. Thank you.
Myself is Kirbakaran. I am pursuing my computer science engineering in J.J. College of Engineering and Technology. Here are my batchmates and let them introduce by themselves.
My name is Manianda. I am doing computer science engineering department.
My name is Manoharan. I am doing computer science engineering.
Myself R.A. doing engineering.
Myself is Larani from Department of Computer Science Engineering.
Myself G. Lakshmi, doing computer science and engineering.
We have done a Kuka programming language program and let my batchmate G. Harshini explain it.
This is our program. We have executed already in teach mode. Now we are executing in auto mode.
Thank you for the JJ Safety Management for giving us this wonderful opportunity.